Tips and tricks to make the best use out of your upper extremity ranger. So the first thing you want to do before getting started is visualize. You want to visualize the desired movement before you even get started. If possible, have a caregiver put you through the motions to get the best range possible. Next, you'll want to position yourself in front of a mirror or record your sessions for your care team to give you feedback. Next, you want to be sure when you're going through the exercises, if you feel muscles tightening or you're getting worked up, remember to breathe deeply. Take your time as you go through the motions. If you experience any pain or discomfort that isn't resolved by adjusting your positioning, see your care team and consult with them. And we want to make sure we get high quality repetitions. We want high repetitions, but we don't want to sacrifice quality for quantity. When you're doing the exercises, remember to pause, assess. If spasticity starts to kick in, take deep breaths and relax your body. We hope these tips help and make the best use of your upper extremity ranger.